So Vishwanu Maharaj used to come take bath here, and what she saw, very abundant, very strong light, but shooting the eye, not hurting. So then he saw what? Karara binde, padara bindam, mukhara binde, binivesayantim, satadala padma parihasantim, balang radhikam manasasmarami. He found in a very big lotus 100 petals there, one very small, tiny baby girl, sometimes picking her leg, sometimes kicking her feet, sometimes hand, holding her toe and putting on the mouth, sucking that. Seeing this so attractive, he took his lap and gave to Vishwanu. So Vishwanu Mahisi means Kirtika Maya. Sometimes Radhika Devi taken birth from the womb of Mother Kirtika Devi. Why? No, why is not applicable here. Vishwanu Maharaj, like Nanda Baba's father, Parjanna did austerity for Sivji. And Vishwanu Maharaj, they are all there, Bhanu. Like Nanda, same Bhanu, they are worshipper of sun god. Sometimes, sun give you one golden egg. But you can worship, you can get your cherished desire. After some time worshipping, that golden egg broken and Radhika appeared from there. So while Vindhyachal, what Maharaj told from Lalit Madhav, that Vindhyachal, he saw that his elder brother, Himalaya, he had a nice daughter and son-in-law is Sivji. And Shiv has a name and fame, so he could not tolerate that. She started austerity. What? When in austerity, that Brahmaji appeared. What you want? Samsar jahar bos, say bos jar, say hok tanaya amar. What? Where is this whole planet, all universes controlled by Sri Krishna, and Sri Krishna controlled by Srimati Radhika. So I want that Radhika is my daughter and my son-in-law will be Krishna, that my life will be successful. Moreover, he told another benediction. What? The son-in-law of Himalaya must be servant of my son-in-law. Brahma, so be it. So Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. Mahaprabhu told that Mahesh Parvati, they are my kinkar and kinkari, servant and maid servant. Mahaprabhu told this. This is the proof that he is there. Sometimes Vishwanu Maharaj coming here, some other place, and Vishwanu Maharaj, other kalpa found here. And Radhika don't want to come in modern world. Why not? Radhika told, Japta Vrindavanam Nasti, Yanapta Jamuna Nadi, Japta Govardhana Nasti, Naptaptamina Manasukam. And if there is no Vrindavan Dham, there is no Brihad Jamuna, and there is no Brihad Govardhan, my mind will be satisfied. So Krishna took all this Vrindavan Dham, Jamuna Nadi, Govardhan, then Radhika became angry. Why? Well, what will do Vrindavan? Krishna has so many pastimes. Santi yadapi me prajalilastata manohara nahi jane smitera se manomay kriti sambhavet. All pastime of Lord Krishna is understood by everyone. Krishna telling himself by his own utterly, when I remember about dress, my mind slipped out from my hand, I could not control. And the supremacy of Radhika is showing in Das Lila. So Radhika told there is no Vrindavan, here is the Das Lila. Why need Jamuna? Krishna's Das Lila is topmost pastime. Inside Das Lila there is Vamsichuri, stealing the fruit. Moreover, water sports pastime. So many things including Radha Das Lila. So if there is no Jamuna river, where is to splash water on you? And why need Govardhan? Govardhan so many caves, Pramada Madana Nila, Kandare Te, Rachinu Jindra Vasminna Mandam Tikaranatham, Laknagasta Dayami, Nijanika Dinivasam Dehi Govardhanatam. There are so many caves. Each and every cave, Sri Krishna will go to especially Radhika, will hide and seek first time. So when that Krishna agree upon that, then Radhika agrees to come this year. So Vishwanu Maharaj and Kirtika Maya, Radhika's eternal parent. Same way Jasuna Maya, Nanda Krishna's eternal parent, Sachi Maya, Jagannath Mishra eternal parents of Mahaprabhu, Kausala and Dasara eternal parents of Lord Ram. So all these things took place here. So from here you go to now direct Sakrikhor. After Sakrikhor bus time, we will go to Chiksauli. Then breakfast Prasad, bank of Krishnakunda and below the Morkuti. So এখন আপনারা নিজের মতো করতাল ঝাঁঝার কাছে তুলে নিন চন্দ্র করতাল